Hello everyone. So my name is Muhammad Khalid, and we will solve this question today. Okay. First of all, let me read out this question for you all. It says a football of radius capital R is kept on a hole of radius small r, which is made on a plank which is kept horizontally. One end of the plank is now lifted so that it gets tilted, making an angle of theta. Now one end of the plank has been lifted, suppose that from here, so that it is making an angle of theta from the horizontal. Got it? The maximum value of theta so that the football does not start rolling down the plank satisfies the condition. It is asking which will what will be the maximum value of the theta on which the ball automatically rolls down the plank. Okay, so first of all, let us consider, let the mass of the ball is, let the mass of ball is small m. If the mass of the ball is small m, then we will say, sir, this mass will be acting vertically downward. Sorry, this weight will be acting vertically downward, and it will be equal to mg, obviously, है ना? Let me draw a circle here. Okay, this circle, and now let me make the plank. Let me make the plank. Suppose that, now it's okay. Suppose that this is the plank, है ना, and its radius is small r. So we will say its radius, the radius of the football is capital R. Radius of the football is capital R. We will say this is capital R, and the radius of the hole is small r. This is this value. Let me highlight. This value is small r. Okay, let us name them. Let's say the center of the football is O, and the perpendicular drawn on the plank is OA. This point is B. Okay, now what will we do? We have said that the weight of the football is acting vertically downward direction. Vertically down direction में weight act करता है, so we will say, sir, mg will act vertically downward. What happens if we, this angle is theta, so what happens if we divide the vector, force vector, into the components? We have to divide them in components. Now one vector force will be acting this in along the plank, and another force vector which will be perpendicular to the plank will act like this. So now if we say that this angle here, this angle, plank is lifted at an angle of theta, so this angle is theta, so this angle will also be theta. And if this is theta, so we will say, sir, this becomes 90 minus theta. So the this component which is horizontal, which is parallel to the plank, will become mg cos 90 minus theta, or simply we will say mg sin theta. This component become mg sin theta, and obviously the other component will become mg cos theta. Now we can say, sir, there are two forces acting on the football. One is mg sin theta, another one is mg cos theta. But look at closely here. At point B, the football is taking a support, na? It is hinged, like it is hinged. So if the force mg sin theta is applied on the football, we will say, sir, this force will tend to rotate the football in clockwise direction, and mg cos theta, what it will do, it will tend to rotate the football in anti-clock direction. Got it? We have taken support here, and if the forces are acting here, we will say, sir, one mg sin theta will rotate in the clockwise, and mg cos theta will rotate it in anti-clock direction. Now let me draw a perpendicular. Let me draw a perpendicular here. Perpendicular from B to this point. Let me say this point is C. I hope it is visible to you all. This point is C. So OB becomes radius R, OB becomes radius r. I am drawing it here clearly. This is point O, and the perpendicular here is A. This is B. So BAO. Now OB is capital R because it is the radius of the football. We have said that the radius of the hole is small r. Here we have said the radius is small r. So we will say, sir, we will say, sir, the radius is AB is small r. This AB is small r. So if this is capital R, this is small r, then this becomes capital under root of capital R square minus small r square. You can use it by using Pythagoras theorem, है ना? I think my pen tab is not working properly. No problem. So now what will you do? We will use the uh, momentum theorem, law of moment, by using law of moments, using law of moments. Law of moment says in a equilibrium condition, the moment taken in clockwise direction, is always equal to moment in एंटी क्लॉक डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, कंडीशन दी हुई है इन इक्विलिब्रियम ओनली. ये कंडीशन हम यूज करते हैं सिर्फ इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन में. ठीक है, सो व्हाट विल बी इट्स मैक्सिमम वैल्यू? इट्स मैक्सिमम वैल्यू विल अकर इफ the maximum value of theta will occur if both the conditions are matching, means we are using the law of moments, है ना, and it is satisfying. Then we will say, sir, it is the maximum value, it will be the maximum value. Now the force mg sin theta is trying to rotate the football in clockwise direction, so we will say, sir, mg sin theta multiplied by the perpendicular distance. So perpendicular distance from B to mg sin theta is BC, and the value of BC is equal to OA. Look closely, है ना, value of BC is equal to OA, and here we have found out the value of OA, that is under root of capital R square minus small r square. So we will use this value, under root of capital R square minus small r square. It will be equal to moment in anti-clockwise. So which force is rotating it in anti-clock? It is mg cos theta multiplied by the perpendicular distance. So what is the perpendicular distance from B to this mg cos theta? It is the AB, and AB is equal to the small r. So we will say it is small r. Now mg and mg both are cancelled out. We will say, so sin theta upon cos theta, that is tan theta, will be equal to small r upon under root of capital R square minus small r square. ठीक है, now we know that tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. So in a right angle triangle, if we know the perpendicular and base, then we can calculate the hypotenuse. So we will say, sir, hypotenuse in this triangle can be calculated as perpendicular square plus base square. Here perpendicular is small r and the base is under root of r square minus capital R, capital R square minus small r square. So it will become capital R square minus small r square, minus r square cancelled. So hypotenuse will become h is equals to r. Got it? Now look closely, we do not match tan theta equals to r upon this kind of relation is not there. So what will we do? We will use another relations like sin theta. If we use sin theta, it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is small r, hypotenuse is capital R. So sin theta was equals to small r upon capital R. So we have found this relation here. So we will say, sir, option A is the right option, correct option for the question. I hope this answered your question. This is the solution of the question. I hope everyone has understood it. Okay, let's move to the next question now. Next question is this one. Okay, let me first zoom out. Okay, now it is clear. Now What it is saying, a light disk made up of aluminum, which is non-magnetic material, is kept horizontally and is free to rotate about its axis as shown in the figure. This is the axis of rotation. Axis of rotation. This is the axis of rotation, and this is the aluminum disc. This is the aluminum disc. Now what is saying, is kept horizontally and free to rotate about its axis. A strong magnet is held vertically at a point above the disc away from its axis. Now there is a gap between the axis and the magnet, and the magnet is kept above the it is kept above the disc, not on the disc, but it is kept above the disc, है ना. Now it is asking, on revolving the magnet about the axis of the disc will do what will the disc do, है ना. So let me draw a, okay, now let's draw a disc shape here like this. Okay, suppose that this is a disc and the magnet is hovering over like this. It's this pole is north pole and this one is south pole, so obviously magnetic field lines will pass through like this, है ना. It will go vertically down. So what will happen if this area, suppose that this is a unit area, we have taken a unit area, and what will happen if the magnetic field lines are passing through the area? It will generate flux obviously. And what happens if the magnet is also revolving around the axis? Magnet is also revolving, we are revolving the magnet also. Then what will happen? The flux will change. And we have learned, if there is a varying flux, if there is a varying flux, then an induced current generates, induced current or induced EMF generates, है ना. तो ये कह रहा है कि अगर हमारे पास में एक मैग्नेट है और उसको मैग्नेट को हम क्या कर रहे हैं, रिवॉल्व करवा रहे हैं मैग्नेट को, वी आर रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द एक्सिस, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, the rate there will be a rate of change in flux. And if there is a rate of change in flux, then we will say, sir, an induced current will be there. Obviously an induced current will be induced. Now we will say, we will look at the Lenz's law. What does the Lenz law say? Lenz's law, it says the direction of the induced current is such that, direction of the induced current is such that it opposes the cause, is it opposes its cause of generation. ये कह रहा है कि अगर हमारे पास में, लेंसेज लॉ कहता है कि अगर हमारे पास में इंड्यूस्ड करंट जनरेट हो रहा है, तो उस इंड्यूस्ड करंट की डायरेक्शन इस तरह से होगी कि वो अपने होने के कॉज का अपोज करेगा. सो व्हाट इज द कॉज हियर? Cause is the magnet, revolving magnet, this is the cause. So if it is rotating, if it is revolving, if it is revolving, then we will say from this particular unit area the amount of magnetic flux will reduce. So what will it will do? It will try to move along with it, or we will say, sir, here a south pole will generate, so that its north pole will keep on attracting, so that it's rotating in the same direction. I hope you have understood all these things. Okay, what we have said, we have said that if the magnet is revolving around its axis, if the magnet is revolving around its axis, then a south pole will generate. Why the south pole will generate? Because we have seen the lower portion, at the near the disk there is a north pole here, and if the south pole generates, then it will attract, it will try to attract the magnet towards itself, है ना. It will try to attract, ये अपनी इसको मैग्नेट को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करने की कोशिश करेगा. क्यों? बिकॉज इट इज मूविंग अवे फ्रॉम द area. So what will happen, this will become a south pole, and like this will become a south pole, and like this they will attract each other, and the disk will start rotating in the direction of the revolution of the magnet. So its option will become rotate in the direction opposite, not in opposite, in the same direction. Our option will be B. I hope this answered your question. Okay, thank you.